Good morning, students. I am Ajay Kumar Mishra from Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology. This is Radar and TV Engineering subject for EC 8 semester students. Today we will discuss about the unit number 5 and the topic is cable television. So we all know about this topic and we will know about some other facts and discuss in detail. So, cable television is a system of delivering television program to consumers via radio frequencies transmitted through coaxial cables or in more recent systems light pulses through fiber optic cables, since fiber optics are very fast medium of transportation of signals. A cable channel or cable network is a television network available via cable television. The abbreviation CATV is often used for cable television and it originally stood for community access television or community antenna television. So it has two different full forms. So what is the principle of operation of cable TV? Multiple television channels are distributed to subscriber residencies through a coaxial cable. So we all know about it that in a cable TV system, cable provider or cable service provider will distribute the cable connections to different users or subscribers, and he will give or allot the signals around the subscribers houses. So multiple television channels are being distributed, and which comes from the cable company's local distribution facility called the head end. Here, each television channel is modulated by FDM, frequency division multiplexing. It's a very efficient multiplexing techniques. So, how it is being done? It is being done by the hybrid fiber coaxial. Modern cable systems are very large and with a single network and head end, which often serving an entire metropolitan area. So, a single system will handle the overall area. It's very complex thing, so it should be being care taken. Most systems use hybrid fiber coaxial distribution, which is meant for this type of system. In hybrid fiber coaxial or HFC, the trunk lines that carry the signal from the head end to local neighborhoods are optical fiber to provide greater bandwidth and also extra capacity for future expansion. You can see it in this diagram of a modern hybrid fiber coaxial cable television system, in which you can see that the head end, which is the companies cable companies, and it will there is a ring in between the distribution hub and the head end, and the head end will give the signal to the distribution hub, and distribution hub will provide the signal to the optical node, and from there the signal from optical node the signal will be go towards the subscriber house, and we can say that a single optical node will handle 500 to 2000 homes or households. So you can see one optical node will handle 500 to 2000 homes. So if we will increase the optical number of optical nodes, then it will mm, increase by default, increase the number of subscribers being serviced, and the range of the fiber is around 5 to 40 kilometers. So it's very complex and also it is being increased in future. Other cable based services, cable in cable television system, only cable or only the cable signals are not not only transmitting the, because in cable television signals use only a portion of the bandwidth available over coaxial lines. This is the reason that leaves plenty of space for other digital services. So we can see that other digital services are also being consumed in the same space, and those services are such as cable internet, cable telephony, and wireless services. So in this lecture we have seen that how a cable TV works and how it will handle a large area, and how a single node or single head end will deliver all the channels toward multiple users. So we have discussed the working and the and learn about the diagram of the cable television system. So in this lecture, this is from my side. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, thank you.